Canada visa bo enyeding. Ebusia opesoko Canada se tourism ana se visitor. Ma menchira e ka obebo a wodi benya sa visa no. Hye nso se ye friend visitor visa na yedidi dwuma bebre. Eno wan ye de to na che se tourism. Yetumi de conference ana se business visit. Se wobusuani bi wo wadamfo bi wo no invite to family and friends visitation. Ana se be mpo uko graduation. Ebi de kwatwetwe short exams. Se nkrofo ekwohwe boy FIFA World Cup. Eye visit na omo de beko. Empo de okoye surgery, medical reasons. No ayo compassionate reasons ewo ho. Ebusuani nyina ye visitor visa entity ne nyina bo pe. Edi kan visa application fee. Embassy no ebejo $100 Canadian. Obey biometrics. Biometrics nature say omo beba wonsa no fingerprint na obetwa photo any ade. Eno so ye $85 Canadian. Eno everywhere purpose but ayebe na woko. When you mobile as a tourist and a tourism, then ube bookie some attraction centers. Ubo ha on bookie or try when a cavalry and himself obekwa. Officers nibo ha or mojitum, but I may catch them in crop for me training woman say, moon booking some of the tourist attraction centers. Oko online booking.com. It be $20, $10, $30. It took $100. Ube to me bookie attraction centers before it be a museum, waterfalls. Nisani manimano on obuki be 4 na wetimi dia trek valet and say mekwa na mekwa ma reserve me ticket and say me bookie me entrance ticket eno eboa ema omuyedu inti ano so yem budget $100 emfa ento sanya tourism now dey conference e be a free conference e be on so begiska inti wonu edu ha now the conference fee nedin ahye ho mo a ye invite mo say wo abuche ne invite to visit na dade no wo no ontuaka ensa so be ma invitation letter inti won so no umfa $100 bedin enhye ho as attraction centers inti wo beti eno edin Efrim, we ye tourism and ye calculation. Ye purpose ni we are afi baby I betna hotel. Tourism and a conference for ni no mobile renti hotel. Na hotel no uko online booking.com hona. Properties ni bebre ho oma wontuaka abra wonsanka visa no. Obeka se pay at the property. Uko dra and na ubetria. Nto obeka se no prepayment needed. Pay at the property. Uko dra na wetuaka. Ebusuya enti eno nso zero. Shane so obeje card details. Eya ATM card na bank card no. Obema wabobo details no. But until nti dani dra na watew or cancellation ewo ho. Enti se dani dru na wankwa. Esasa wo cancel in term say the beya on deducted seska no. Eno ti na me catch them crofo say plan here before so obedu kwa no. Plan ahead. We calculation no. Ti Canada decision wo Ghana. I think say around 23 days or so. Esasa every week. Enti amonko check it. Enti in fact say 25 days Eda obey biometrics no eno mo county free. Enti your biometrics on the first let's just say enton kosi 25th there now on saka visa because processing at 25 days you understand it is only on saka visa no 25th now why say they will be too kind the following month no ebia on the 20th of the next month so the Osaka visa now you have about 1 month to prepare sometimes hotel ni na active into bed 25th no say visa na ma you can really cancel the hotel and all the bookings sa tourist attraction centers na meka ni na ubetumi cancel because almost free cancellation and sana dana so Inti woma more room for cancellation na eboa se wonsan ka visa na cancel no wa refund usika nyina edem edi amount inti hotel so pay at the property zero. The next one flight Canada na se wonsan enya ka visa na obehwe se obetwa demi ticket ebi $20 ebi $50 $20 de no eno passenger name record PNR no expire entem inti me nkro fa me train no mo de me ma wo mutwa $50 de ni bi eno no ebe expire within 3 weeks eno na ya me hu say reliable anasa wo betwa actual ticket but say wo twa actual ticket then I was call for full refund ache say won san ka visa na cancel o me refund usika nyina e de amount inti demi ticket $50 per me calculation abusuya owia o bank statement eno na ya na nkrofo bi say memfa san entum eno a different topic but oba build a bank statement ebetimi edwa kwa aba and bank statement na ewo features bebre ese so mo hwese won fasika bia entutu mu wo pese usua bank statement na me de 1 full day and chere for during my mentorship it will betimi aba register mentorship no aba besua but video is make sure say wo be here a bank statement it is kana obekọ bebe o mo say $10,000 obeje ansa na wa visa na ma no wo betumi eda to account mu abuild say de be ya won saka visa na sika no ebe ya wo dia dan say wo de bekọ akọ obi na waje visa na ma na sika ni nyina ye ne dia so the option is yours decide bebe obekọ say wo ba besua abuild na sika na ye wo dia say wo build one kasa account na sika ne demo a statement na be print akokeke enti e bia bank ne na e bia obeje printing fees or print am 10 cedis and 15 cedis bi no ate etu eno enye sika memfa enka me budget eden eho all right apart from bank statement no home ties wadwuma wo ye eho nkrata wo ye obi adwuma ene sa ne manema no ene so menchire home tie till later obetimi ababisua during the mentorship now I prepare all your documents was abetre cover letter a well written cover letter ene so menchire during my mentorship na ene so atwe kama se wonya sa ne ma we nyina na che se e ka obebo ena me di ka hye hye no Enti me total na eka obebo for Canada na o visa naba. Now o visa ne ba because we try demi ticket nti afi no try actual ticket and a share so we dra hotel no so a book ye no afi o so ebe tu sika no ye time wa kodru. Enti flight no any hotel no after say won saka visa no ukudra and so ye kakakra obebo but before say won sa be ka visa ne de eka no na makacho. Now reho sem ne say one na obeye video na obeji achinye no omokọ ya no ho a hotel ne ade ni nyina na omosaka visa na ye cancel eno ti no bi kodru abrochi no bi amefa na wa stranded e wo airport wo no because oni ba bi okwakodan so ne age ne $10,000 eti wa woka say na say hotel ne flight nyina minimum bi a wakwaje visa ne wi ono na sade ne bottom sika ekotwa flight after say we $10,000 no enti flight ne nyina omo de dem ticket ne jema okra na after that no afi na okotwa flight akoye yi enti the decision is yours on the 8th of June next month abusia share ma wona fufu nyina 8th of June tips and just me mentorship me cover Canada, US, Schengen, 29 countries in Europe. And your friend is Schengen visa. A bit me do have visit countries mako 29 Europe, Schengen, and a UK. Country will pay biano, be join ne besua. Okay, in Toba maybe Saudi ope. Se Canada, US now panwa catch me na mama register. Se Schengen now pan mama register. Ebusia me de 5 days and a echere wadie. Anopa ene enwumre sa wokọ adwuma enwumre a mechira wade anopa wokọ adwuma daytime a mechira wade enwumre 5 days no menkọ adwuma ne sante no mentumi enye ne free esese o register sa wonte ase ese obetua sika a register obetumi akọ me YouTube me wo videos bebre ho a eno so maye makava US Canada Schengen UK a lot of countries Mexico obetumi akwakọhwe na waye bi na wode kọ but so person we invest na me so me invest my time at the mount for the 5 days na enti ase ye adwuma de a obetumi ayi sa number na e wo screen so no na waba na waba be register ebusia number na e wo screen so no eye mentorship no te enkrofo bi wo ha omo person mo be so wo hwe won person ba be join ne but no akoyi number no oba eye ade a wan hwe ya wani enje me hoda ema eye 5 days wo ma mechire mo mentorship na eni gisem ne say oba register area me ma handout a ma tra links bia wom de wo be book flight bia wom eni e ma e ba be sua ni nyina me de ma no start esua kopim se be start mentorship no on the 8th of June eye na waka che wona fofo nyina enye Canada nko US nso mechire Schengen mechere UK mechere into ba mami hu ebia na won Canada opeso ko Europe ai me wo de wo ho ebia na won peso ko Schengen wo de ope US onso me wo de e wo ho into ba enkomo na yebedi no na metumi e de waka sa group no ho memfa wo nyina engu one group mu e country bia ene ne group a wo mo e wo ntimi ye ne say US ene Canada ene Mexico wo mo one group ena Schengen fo enso e wo one group ena UK fo e wo one group esanse sa countries no e ya na differences kakra den e wo applications ni mu medamase